welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. What's up? What's good? I hope you guys are doing good. So I hope you guys can hear me over the rain. I'm kind of screaming because there's nothing I can do. Like, my windows are closed and you can still hear it's pouring outside. But anyways, in today's video I will be creating this makeup look because I'm about to take some photos and shoot some content. So that's basically what I did my makeup for in today's video. Before we get into the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified every time I post a new video. You guys know I love working with Dossier because they always keep your girl smelling good. And I needed some new summer scents, just some new scents in general, but I was aiming for some summery scents. And baby, did I get just that? Did I get just that? Okay, so I got the spicy orchid and then I have the citrus peony. If you want to know all my thoughts and opinions on these two scents, stay tuned until the end of this video and I will go into detail with everything. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna try to go through this video as quickly as possible because I have like 4 or 5 other videos that I need to record today. So I'm just gonna do my makeup to take some photos, and I really liked the makeup that I did in my previous video, so I'm gonna do that. Like, I like the foundation routine that I did in that video, but first thing I did was I moisturized my lip with the Sigma Hydro Melt Lip Mask. This is in the shade All Hearts. To me, it doesn't really give off much of a shade because I put on like a tiny bit just to moisturize my lips, and that's about it. I never run out of lashes, and your girl actually ran out of lashes, which I think is crazy. I'm just taking the OFRA Concealer Deep Corrector Wheel. I'm just gonna take this concealer here. I'm just gonna conceal my lids just to get a nice flawless base. I think I'm gonna go in with the Looks palette from OFRA Cosmetics first. I'm just gonna take a blending brush. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. And I'm just gonna put that on my crease and basically just all over my eye, to be honest. I'm not doing anything crazy to my eyes though because I am doing some lip swatches with this makeup on. So I don't wanna be doing too much, you know? So then I'm gonna take this shade right here from the I Love Sarai palette and just gonna put that on my crease. I haven't used this palette in ages, but this looks like a nice color. I'm using the same brush. Like, I am over switching brushes all the time. Like, I'll do it, but if it's not necessary, baby, I am not gonna do it. I am not gonna do it. So then I'm gonna take this shade, or is it too bright? Like, I don't want it to be too, okay, never mind. So I'm taking the Ambiance palette from Sigma, and I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is called Midas, and I'm just gonna take my finger. I'm just gonna apply that like that, just on my lid. I said I wasn't gonna do too much, and I feel like I am doing too much, but guess what? It's gonna have to be like this, cause yeah, it's just gonna have to be like this. So then I'm gonna go in with the Guide Beauty gel liner in brown. What is it that I'm sticking my finger in all my products today? Like, I don't understand what's going on. So I'm just taking a pencil brush and I'm just gonna create a little line right here, and we're gonna smudge that out. So we're gonna take, let's see if this one is enough. I got some new perfumes today in the mail, some new scents from Dossier, and baby, when I tell y'all, I'm about to smoke so good this summer. I got like 6-7 different perfumes. I didn't get the chance to smell all of them just yet, but when I tell y'all, the ones that I smelled, yes, I'm about to smell very freaking good this summer, period. We had a minor setback and I'm kind of annoyed because
now I feel like I am rushing and I need to make this video before it gets dark, and I still have a whole bunch of other videos that I need to record, but you know what, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, so we're gonna move on to my face, and I'm not going to prime my face. I don't feel like priming my face today, so we're going to go straight into color correcting, or color correcting is not gonna be real color correcting, but y'all know what I mean. I'm gonna use the Sigma Spectrum Color Correcting Duo. I have the medium to dark and the dark to deep right here, so I'm gonna go in for the dark to deep, which is this one, and I'm just gonna take a brush and I'm gonna put that underneath my eyes. I'm taking the lightest shade. I could probably take the darkest one. We're gonna take the lightest one because that's how I did it last time, and I really liked how it looked. And I'm just gonna put it basically where I will place my concealer, right under my eyes, or any other dark spots that you might have. I don't like that it got dark, and I hate the fact that it got so dark so quickly. I thought I had more time, but baby girl, I didn't have more time. I'm gonna take my blending brush for my concealer. I'm just gonna blend this out. I am basically treating it as a concealer because, as you guys know, I don't really be color correcting like that. Like, I'm not really a fan because to me it's just unnecessary. So I'm kind of looking at this as my first concealer, and then I'm just gonna put my second layer of concealer on top of this. That's kind of how I look at it, and that's also why I didn't go in with a darker color or like a more reddish tone, because yeah, no. So next thing, I'm going to go in with my OFRA Cosmetics concealer corrector wheel, and I'm gonna take my concealer shade, which is this one right here. Right here. Okay, so that's it for concealer as of right now. So I'm just gonna blend out down here first, and also the bridge of my nose. For foundation, I will be mixing the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation with the OFRA Absolute Cover Foundation in the shade 720, and in the NARS I'm in the shade Belém. As you guys can see, it's a huge contrast in color here, but these two mixed together are gonna give me the perfect match. I don't remember if I cream contoured last time or if I didn't. I honestly do not remember. This is a pretty good shade match, if you ask me. I feel like the camera is not picking it up, or the lights are making it way brighter than what it is, but it's really not. So then I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna blend out my concealer, starting in the corners as per usual, and then blend my way in. Then I'm gonna go in with my blending brush, my other blending brush, and I'm just gonna finish blending out that concealer like seamlessly. But let's talk about how this whole like soft life is now becoming sort of like a trend. Like, first it was, oh, independent, boss bitch, blah blah blah, right? Now everybody want to be living a soft life, and I'm not mad at it at all, because I've always been like, I just want to be a damsel in distress. Please help me out and do everything for me, because I know I could be independent. I am independent. I just don't care to be independent with men anymore, you know? I would just be a damsel in distress, that's it. Highly recommend. And honestly, when you do that, men will literally come to your rescue 24/7. Like, always. Camera now doesn't want to work. I don't know what happened, but it doesn't want to work. So we're just going to finish this video on my phone, because I do not have time to be fixing that right now. So I'm just going to go get my camera fixed tomorrow, because I'm gonna try to fix it later by myself, but if it doesn't work, then it doesn't work, and I'm gonna just go get it fixed tomorrow. I'm not going to fuss too much about it. I'm just gonna take my little powder concoction. I'm just gonna set my eyes with that. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna take my Pixie palette and I'm gonna bronze my face. I'm going to contour with this shade right here, and I'm gonna bronze with this shade right here. So I'm gonna go contouring first. Then I'm going in with my bronzer. I'm just gonna bronze up my face. So then I'm gonna contour my nose. I'm gonna go in with my contour shade. And a little goes a long way. So then I'm gonna set the rest of my face, and I'm using the Becca Cosmetics powder. You guys know I've been loving this ever since I got it. Just gonna set my whole face. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is in the shade 130, and I love to use this to brighten my under eyes. I'm just gonna go in with this like that, and I just dab it under my eyes, literally just to brighten it up, like real bright. So for highlighter, I'm using the Sigma Beaming Glow Illuminating Powder Fairy Dust. And I'm just going to use my highlighter brush, tap into this. Ooh, that was a lot, but it's cute. It's very cute. So for my lips, I'm not really gonna do much. I'm just going to line my lips with Chestnut from MAC. And then I got some new lip base in the mail from Hustle Galore in the shade CEO, and baby, it's your girl Miss CEO right here. So let's try it. I love the packaging. Like, I'm not gonna get over this packaging probably ever. But ooh, this looks like a stunning shade. Oh, this is so nice. It's like a very cool tone lip gloss, but I love it. Oh baby, okay, so this is the final look. So let's get into these fragrances that I got. So I got 2 fragrances from Dossier. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. So the first one is Citrus Peony, and this one is inspired by the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet Eau de Toilette. This is what it looks like, and I don't have the Dior one, so I wouldn't be able to compare it like smell-wise or anything with the original one. But I just know that this is giving brunch to night vibes during summertime. That's what it's giving to me. But it's giving luxury, it's giving expensive. I love it. I love it. I will list all the notes on the screen somewhere here or here, wherever I have space. But the top notes are mandarin, bergamot, blackcurrant. The middle notes are rose, apricot, peony. The base notes are musks, peach, and raspberry. You can definitely smell the mandarin, the rose, the peony, and the raspberry. Those are the ones that like stand out to me. This smells expensive. This is what it's giving. It's giving expensive. It's giving bougie. It's giving what it's supposed to give. If you want to smell like $1 million, baby, this one smells so good. So the next one we have is the Spicy Orchid, and this one is inspired by the Tom Ford Black Orchid.
This is a heavy scent. This is a heavy scent. And before, this one smells so good. The top notes are cinnamon, pink pepper, mandarin. Middle notes is lang lang, orchid, and plum. The base notes are sandalwood, vanilla, incense, and patchouli. So the notes that I can smell in this one is the plum and the orchid. I can definitely smell the orchid. And then the vanilla. But it's like a heavy scent. This is a night scent, a nighttime scent, 100%. Like, I will probably not wear this throughout the day. But during the nighttime, baby, going out for dinner, going to the club, it's giving. But wait, but when I spray it on, the cinnamon is coming through. The cinnamon is really present. If you like heavy scents, this is the one for you. But it smells great. It smells great. Dossier, baby. I feel like I'm just shocked every time I get a perfume from them. I'm like, damn, y'all really do your thing. The one that I'm going to be wearing today is going to be the Citrus Peony. Ooh. I will have direct links to these in the description box down below. And I will also have a discount code on the screen or in the description, so check that out so you guys can save some coins. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on your bell notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye!